track fans! Welcome back, Ollie and Chloe. I hope you're enjoying this, and James, you know who you are. Welcome to track 60, celebration, 60 new tracks, and on the track today we've got a police car. What? That's right, we've got a police car. Why have we got a police car, you might ask? Because when you drive as fast as track fans all the time, the police are going to want to chase you down and make you drive slower. So, I thought we'd invite the law to track 60 to test drive the fastest track yet. Here we are, ready to drive, track fans! And straight down the long straight. Oh, the police car is actually got working sirens. Let's get it round to this drift corner R2, long straight. We're gonna follow it around a little bit. You can see I'm running the track is long, drift corner at the end. So on the next lap, I'm just gonna stay static and let you see the car go as fast as it can. Whoa, that is quick. My word, this police car is gonna shake down anything. So, what did I do? Yes, I bought the Ford GT GTE just in case we need a race. And the police car's off into the fine R2. This is all the long straights I've collected since the last time we come to the warehouse. Oh, and it's looking good. The police car kicks out. The police car's got form. He should look at track 50. Drifty 50, we celebrate all the cars drifting. I'm liking this police car. This is quite cool. Let's get a shot as he comes past through Pendle Bend and races off. Wow. Whoa, blimey. Okay, so that's the police car on track 60. Do we want to see the Ford? Do we want a quick celebratory track 60 edition of the Ford? Now this is going to be fast. Whoa, very fast. Okay, let's get it on. Right, it's going to be a bit longer this video because this is a lot of fun and very fast. Okay, here we go, track fans. Right, on the long straight. That is fast. You ready? Oh, he's come off the track. Deadly. Right, last one. Let's see if we can hold it together, track fans. You ready, Albert? Got the speedo? Here we go. The final blast. What? That is super fast. Car is drifting, the car's drifting, you know the Ford loves to drift. What? That is great stuff. Very, very. He's derailed, we're gonna leave it there, guys. See you later, track fans. We need a helicopter, please.